Hello, Monster Jam fans, and welcome to Monster Truck Classics unboxing and review of a Hot Wheels Monster Jam series of Donkey Kong. He was 9 of 75 in this series, and it also was a flag series, so you got the extra bonus was a flag. So we're going to take a look at that. Let's go ahead and see what's on the package on the back of the card. On the back of the card, we have Bounty Hunter and Spectro Flame. Then we got Gravedigger, and I can just make out it says Mud. I'm not sure what the other word is underneath it. It's hard to make it out. So it looks like there was mud on the tires. And then we get Blacksmith in Monster Jam Classics, Destroyer in World Finals, and then there's Medusa, Nitro Circus, Instigator, Pure Adrenaline, there's Donkey Kong, and Monster Mutt Dalmatian. And then also on the package, here is Deluxe Jumpers. And over here, it looks like a World Finals play set, but I'm not 100% on that. So let's go ahead and unbox Donkey Kong. Let's start off with the bonus, which is the flag. So it's made out of material, and it has the name of the truck, Donkey Kong. Very neat and something different for a bonus with the die-cast truck. And also in 2008 at the Monster Jam World Finals 9, Frank Hamill drove Donkey Kong, and there is a picture of Donkey Kong almost going over, and he did roll it over and kept on going in his freestyle run. Frank Hamill was the driver. So on to Donkey Kong itself. Here it is. Now look at that. It has a tan wheels, and then the tires itself. Back then BKT wasn't a sponsor. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit on the body. It is a metal base body. So back here, you can see it has the Monster Jam logo, a Hot Wheels logo, the name of the truck. This is his ear, of course. Then we come to the front, where the hood would be, but it is his mouth and his nostrils. And then this is very cool. This is why I picked this one out, was for the eyes. There is one variation of Donkey Kong that doesn't have the eyes on the windshield, but I wanted to get the one that had the eyes on the windshield. And then down here, we have the tie, and it has DK on it for Donkey Kong. As we come to the other side, just to show you it. And then in the back, it says Donkey Kong on the tailgate. And as you can see, in the back as well, you can see the motor. And one other thing I wanted to point out was his hairdo, his style of his hairdo up on top. It almost looks like a mohawk just underneath here, so you can see. Very cool truck. I'm glad that I purchased it to add to my collection. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review of Donkey Kong.